Hello, Pastor Carl. I am Josh. I am 25 years old, and it will be now 5 years since I am a believer in the Lord Jesus Christ by the grace of God. And I am making this video by the grace of the Lord to let you know that the Lord used one of your messages on the internet for my salvation. You were talking about the rapture, and you said to be right with the Lord before He is coming back. And you also shared some verses from the Epistle of Paul to the Romans, verses 9 through 13. And also those are the verses that the Lord used to open my heart to the gospel. And I am letting you know that I am very thankful for you, for your church, for your ministry, and for your online ministry also. Thank you very much, and I pray that the Lord will keep all of you in His grace, in His peace, in the Lord Jesus Christ, and in all His blessings. Thank you very much, and this video will be shown to you by Pastor Philippe and his wife Suzanne, and they are doing a wonderful work in Amiens, France. So thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you.
One plants, the other waters, but the Lord gives the growth. So neither he who plants nor he who waters is anything, but only God who gives life. He who plants and he who waters are one, and each will receive his wages according to his labor.